Breathe cleaner air today with PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, your trusted HVAC company in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania. Remove dust, allergens, and hidden buildup quickly while improving airflow and home comfort. Dirty ducts reduce efficiency and circulate pollutants. Choose PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, the reliable HVAC company in Swarthmore, Pennsylvania, to restore healthier air, lower energy waste, and protect your HVAC system. Schedule your air duct cleaning today for results. Are you looking for a HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What HVAC services do you provide? PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides heating, ventilation, and air conditioning installation, repair, maintenance, ductwork cleaning, furnace service, thermostat upgrades, and system inspections to improve indoor air quality, efficiency, and comfort. What is included in a professional HVAC inspection? A professional HVAC inspection from PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning includes checking heating and cooling systems, furnace performance, thermostat operation, ductwork condition, air filters, airflow, energy efficiency, and overall indoor climate control. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our HVAC company has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania HVAC company office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.